our life here. I would like to call upon my friend Avinash. Hi everyone, my name is Avinash. Today I am saying talk. Dream big, work and stay focused. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Makes us understand and what is happiness happening around us, the world. Here is my friend Surya Prakash from grade 1 choral. From grade 1 choral. So I am going to say the national news. To strong earthquake, John Keeper. National news. The Prime Minister is expected to meet several leaders on the sidelines of the G20 summit in Brazil. Thank you. Knowledge. Here is my friend Sandeep from grade 1 chorus. GK question from Practice by Sandeep from grade 1 chorus. Question for grade 1. How many letters are there in English? 36. 36 letters. Yes, you meet the correct answer. The answer is 26 letters. Let us create them. Question for grade 2. Rainbow continent how many colors rainbow? Yes, you meet the correct answer. The answer is 7. Let us create them. Question for grade 3. How many seconds make 1 hour? Yes, you meet the correct answer. The answer is 360. Let us create them. Question for grade 4. Name the biggest continent of many? Asia. Yes, you pick the correct answer. The answer is Asia. Let us create them. Question for grade 5. Which color symbol peace?
Which color symbolizes peace?
Which color symbolizes peace? Yes, you pick the correct answer. The answer is red. Let us create them. Thank you. John Chambers. My name is Chris from grade 1 chorus. Now I am going to say word. Monkey climbed on the net. Monkey climbed on a tree. Monkey climbed on the net. Monkey will climb on the tree. Thank you. Eat when wants to tell about division. I keep my ears clean